Hello, welcome to the Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a screen lock on POCO M3. To do this, we will go to the settings. We need to scroll down to password and security option, screen lock. We have a few options here. For example, we can set up a pattern. It's a little warning here. Remember your password. Got it. For example, we need to repeat, confirm. We don't need a fingerprint right now, so thank you. Screen lock on. We will check it if it works, and here it is. Work as intended. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.